Welcome to the Trader's Toolbox series and your guide to mastering the tools that shape the market. Right now you're looking at a Thinkorswim layout filled with many powerful indicators and studies, each designed to give traders an edge. In each episode, we'll take a deep dive into one of these and many other game-changing tools and studies. We'll zoom in, strip away the noise, and show you exactly why so many pros use these tools, why it should matter to you, and how you can use them to make smarter trades. Let's begin your journey on your way to greater profits as we join the $1 Million Margin Club and their introduction to today's tool. The Scalping Indicator with EMA VWAP Crossover is a visual tool designed to help traders spot momentum and volume shifts instantly. This custom-designed indicator displays instant information that tracks buying and selling volume and momentum as it occurs, allowing traders to take advantage of short-term price movements as they happen. In addition, the longer-term crossover between the 14 EMA and the VWAP help the trader see longer trends. As we break down these dynamic labels, we will see on the left that a green or red label illuminates when the 14 EMA crosses above or below the VWAP, giving the trader a perspective of a longer trend. The yellow labels show the volume of the current and last candle to close, and may notify the trader of a possible shift in interest as the volume increases or decreases with price. This can help them make informed decisions quickly. The red and green labels take you inside the candle and show the real-time percentage of buyers and sellers, which allows them to make fast and informed decisions on their entry and exits of trades as the buyers and sellers battle for dominance. These groundbreaking features, along with the blue histogram at the bottom of the chart, gives a clean view of total volume and price sentiment in the moment. As we look inside the volume bars, you can follow the green dots connected by a line dynamically show where buying strength is occurring within each candle. Red dots and connective lines do the same for seller activity, giving a real-time visual of where selling pressure is taking place. For these reasons, the Scalping Indicator has become the favorite tool of traders looking to capitalize quickly on short-term price movements. Here is how the various parts of this indicator work. When the 14 EMA crosses above the VWAP, it often signals bullish intent. When it crosses below, it can suggest selling momentum. In the histogram, each bar's volume is split based on price position. If the close of the candle's price is near the high, buyers were stronger. If it's near the low, sellers were stronger. We then calculate the percentage of volume attributed to the buyers versus the sellers, giving you a precise read on who's dominating the price movement in each candle. The Scalping Indicator with EMA VWAP Crossover gives you clear crossover signals, volume confirmation and real-time buyer-seller insight, all in one streamlined display to help you make informed decisions quickly. This indicator, along with other great indicators, studies, tools and strategy books, are part of the Trader Toolbox series. No matter where you are in your journey, this series, along with their groundbreaking guidebooks designed by professional traders, has been created to help beginner and seasoned traders alike reach the next level of profitability and are available exclusively at the $1 Million Margin Club. Visit our website, level up your trading, and join the profitable traders at the $1 Million Margin Club.